In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate your Zomex WordPress theme with WHMCS. Our WordPress themes support all of the top web hosting billing software in the industry, including WHMCS, Blester, Client Exec, HostBill, YCP, and FOSS Billing. In this guide, I will show you how easy it is to install the matching WHMCS integration. On the first browser tab, we have the WordPress front end. Our Stellar theme has been installed along with the default content. Check the description of this video for our full range of themes. As you can see, all of the theme pages work as expected. When we click on a page designed for the supported software, such as the client area, it will show a placeholder page. Once we finish setting up the WHMCS integration, all of these links will automatically send users to the matching WHMCS page. In the next tab, we have our WordPress admin panel opened. The third tab, we have WHMCS installed in a subdirectory /clients, which is running the default 21 template. In the fourth tab, we have our WHMCS admin area. In the fifth tab, we are logged into our Zomex account, which has the Stellar WordPress theme and WHMCS integration purchased. First, visit the WordPress admin panel. Click on Wizard panel on the left menu and click on the Software Integration tab. Set the software integration to on and click on the Save Changes button. Scroll down and set the software to WHMCS. For the software URL, we need to use our full WHMCS URL with the trailing /. Let's go ahead and open the front end of WHMCS and copy the URL. Head back to Wizard panel and paste the URL and then click on the Save Changes button. Scroll down to the Integration Code section. The WordPress theme has automatically generated a dynamic copy of our header and footer. We can use this code to create a matching integration with WHMCS. Next, access your Zomex.com account and click on the Orders button. Click on the Manage button next to your WordPress theme. Then click on the Downloads link on the left. Find and download the WHMCS integration files. Once downloaded, extract this zip to your PC. Open Upload Latest Version Templates. This is the WHMCS template directory. Move this to your desktop and open. Open the integration folder and select all .html files. Right-click and open these with your chosen code editor. If you don't have an editor installed, you can use TextEdit on Mac or Notepad on Windows. Head back to Wizard panel and copy and paste each block of code to the matching file and save. There is a file for the head, header, content top, content bottom, and footer. The next step is to upload the template to WHMCS. Open up your FTP program. Navigate to the templates directory of WHMCS and then upload the template. Next, open your WHMCS admin panel and go to System Settings, General Settings. Under Template, select the WHMCS integration we have just uploaded and save. Let's refresh the WHMCS front end. You can now see the header and footer of WHMCS match our WordPress theme. We can click any link and it will take us between the WordPress theme pages and WHMCS pages. All of the old placeholder links will now take us to WHMCS. So you can use WordPress to build your website while using WHMCS for accounts, billing/invoicing, web hosting automation, and ordering. This video was brought to you by Zomex. At Zomex, we have been providing premium WordPress themes since 2009. You can view our full range of themes and services in the description below. Save 10% on your next order using the coupon code YouTube. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to ensure that you are notified of new videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider making a small donation to the channel via the description of this video. Donations are much appreciated and will allow us to increase the quality and frequency of videos.